On the oblique sternum, we're going to have the patient in the RAO position. Now, the body angle of obliquity is only going to be approximately 15 to 20 degrees. Now, this will, of course, depend on the thickness of the part. Now, for a thinner patient, it may require a little bit more of a patient angle. But we are going to start in approximately a 15-degree angle in the RAO position. And what this does, it projects the sternum out from the midline of the body so that you can see it projected with the heart as a backdrop for the image. So palpate for the spine, and our longitudinal line is going to be 1 inch on the upside or 1 inch out laterally. Our transverse line is going to cut across the tip of the scapula. Okay, and then our last point, which we need to do, is bring our distance in. Our SID is going to be 30 inches. So once you have it all set up at your normal 48 inch, you're going to then bring it in to 30 inches. And the reasoning for that is because once you bring it into 30 inches, your light field is going to be so tiny, and it's really hard to tell if you're at the right spot or not. So have it all set up at the regular 48, and then bring your distance down into 30 inches. And that is our RAO, oblique, for the sternum. Now, if your patient cannot get into position for the RAO, your other option is to do an LPO. So I'm going to have David turn to the left a little bit. Then you can prop a little something underneath the back to hold the patient into position. So here you can palpate for the sternal notch, and you can have the light about 1.5 inches above the sternal notch. And with this, you can actually palpate the breastbone or the sternum, and you can center again just slightly to the upside, because it's going to catch this sternum obliquely as central ray is cutting through the body. So this is our LPO. The LPO again will demonstrate the sternum with the heart shadow as a backdrop to the image, so you'll be able to see the sternum better. Okay. Didn't click.